All right, in this video, we'll be trying to solve a few questions on the application of matrix transpose. Now, the question we have in front of us is something you have to pay real attention to. You were given two different matrices. The first one, matrix A, and the second, matrix B. So we have matrix A here, and this is the element of matrix A. And then you have matrix B, and this is the element of matrix B. Now we are told to evaluate the value for 2x plus y. If you look closely, you would see that y is an element of matrix A. This is y right here. And you would see that x is also an element of matrix B, which you can see right here, an element being 2x. So you are told to find the value to evaluate 2x plus y. So that means we have to find a way to get the value for x and the value for y. You were given a condition which is the basis of where our solution will come from. And this is the condition we're given. We were told that A transpose is equals to 2 times matrix B. So that means you have to transpose this matrix A, then you have to multiply matrix B by a scalar 2. And you are told that the value for A transpose will be the same thing as the values for matrix B multiplied by the scalar 2. So let's go on to transpose our matrix A. A transpose. The transpose of a matrix is the interchanging of the rows to become column, and the column will automatically become rows. So to transpose matrix A, you have to change all the rows to the column section. So the row 6y2 becomes a new column, the column 1. So the row 1 becomes column 1. We have 6y2. That is the first row being the first column now. Then the second row, which is minus 4, minus 2, and minus 6, will be interchanged to become the second column. And then we have the third row, 10, 8, 2, becoming the third column. So this is our value for A transpose. Successfully done. Now the next thing we have to do is to multiply matrix B with a scalar 2. And how you go on with scalar multiplication is to just go on to multiply every element of matrix B with a particular scalar you are given. So you have to multiply every element of matrix B with the value 2. So you go on to do that. This will be 2 times 3. You'll be having 6. 2 times minus 2, you'll be having minus 4. And 2 times 5, you will have 10. 2 times 2, you would have 4. 2 times minus 1, you will have minus 2. 2 times 2x, you will have 4x. And 2 times 1, 2. 2 times minus 3, minus 6. 2 times 1, 2. So you have successfully achieved the multiplication of B with a scalar 2. You are then told that this condition exists, that A transpose is equals to 2B. And from our understanding of matrix equality, this means that every element in A transpose must be the same element in 2B. And you can see for yourself that the first element, row 1, column 1, 6, is the same thing here. Row 1, column 2, minus 4 is the same thing. The same goes for row 1, column 3. Now, from this understanding, you can see that if A transpose is 2B, that means if this place is Y and this place is 4, we can conclude that our Y must be 4, because since these two are equal. So we have been able from there to deduce our value for y as 4. So we have y being equals to 4. Now, you go on and check through, you see everything is all intact. If you check row 2, column 3, yeah, you would see you have 4x here, you have 8 here. And since A transpose is equals to 2b, that means it must be that 8 and 4x are the same thing. So we can conclude that 8 will be equals to 4x because they have to be the same. So what we have right here must be the same as what we have right here. So 8 must be equals to 4x. And from here, we can deduce our x, dividing both sides by 4, our x will be equals to 2. So looking at what we have right there, you can see that we have been able to get the value for y and the value for x. And we were told to evaluate 2x plus y. This was the question given. So from what we have right there, 2x plus y will be equals to 2x being 2. So we have 2 into bracket 2 plus y being 4. So we see there that this is 4 plus 4. And that will give us a value of 8. So we have successfully gotten our answer for 2x plus y as 8. All right. Thank you for joining. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.